Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing, wash, and a review on this Sassina hair. Included in the box are these beautiful eyelashes. Next we have some extra clips. Next up, a white tooth comb. And then next we have an instruction page on how to care for your hair, about dyeing, about washing, and then a few more extra tips on how to care for the hair. Right here, I'm just going to be unpackaging the hair. I'm just going to remove one of the clips, give you a close-up of how the hair looks. And wow, this is pretty. I like this hair, and it looks so natural, and the color is going to blend in with my hair perfectly. I love how natural this hair is. Next, I'm going to be doing a side-by-side comparison. What I'm going to do is wash two of the tracks, and then once the tracks are dry, I'm going to compare the two washed tracks with a new track. Next, I will be washing the tracks, and I will be using my Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo, and it is recommended by the company to use a sulfate-free and moisturizing formula shampoo. I'm just going to rub the shampoo on my hands and then downwards through the tracks. While running my hands downwards, I will be detangling also, as well as cleansing. Next, using warm water, I'm just going to rinse the shampoo out, and then I will follow up with the Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Conditioner. As I am applying the conditioner, I will also be running my fingers through the hair, detangling it. And make sure to get enough conditioner on the ends of the hair. Okay, right here, I'm running my fingers through the hair. See how easily my fingers are running right through the hair. So it is very important to use a moisturizing shampoo and a moisturizing conditioner. I'm having no problem at all running my fingers through the hair. This hair is so soft and beautiful, and I have very little shedding. This is all the hair that shed from those two tracks. Okay, now I am going to rinse the conditioner out of the hair. Keep in mind to always run your hands downward while washing and conditioning the hair. Look how beautiful this hair is from the top all the way to the bottom. The curls are popping. This hair is so pretty. Okay, I took a hanger to hang the hair up to dry. I'm going to let it dry overnight. I always let my hair air dry, and right here is the next day, and the hair is completely dry. Look how pretty that is. Okay, here's the side-by-side comparison. Right here is the new hair, and then on the hanger is the washed hair. As you can see, the washed hair has stretched, but that's okay. If the hair is too long, all you have to do is clip the ends. You know, I experienced that with every set of clip-ins I've ever had. When I wash the hair stretches. It's okay. Just clip the hair to the length you want it to be. Okay, and right here, I am just running my fingers through the hair just to give it that natural look. Give it a little frizz and take away a few of the curls to give it the natural look that it had coming right out of the packaging. Okay, here it is. I'm finished running my fingers through it. So once again, here's another comparison. These are the wash clips compared to the new clips. Other than the length, the hair looks exactly the same as it did before I washed it. I love the results, and it's good to have some hair that doesn't change once you wash it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Use my $10 discount code and go get you some of these clip-ins. They're the bomb. Have a great day.